So guys, I got my hands on the Oppo A31 dummy, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my hands-on review and the first impression of the Oppo A31. What's up guys, it's Michael from Metal Unboxing. We are happy to make decision in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. Back to the Oppo A31. Personally, I love the build quality and design of the Oppo A31. This device is made out of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 at the front and made out of plastic at the back, which has a matte finish which I personally love, and the matte finish on here is better than the one on the Samsung Galaxy A01. The Oppo A31 has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a 82.4 screen to body ratio and a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. And for its price, I don't think it should have a 720p display, rather it should have a 1080p LCD display. But if it was supposed to be in 720p, it should have been an AMOLED display. The Oppo A31 runs on Android 9 Pie with ColorOS 6.1, paired with the MediaTek Helio P35, which is dated. I don't know why Oppo did this.
Let cost not come to you.
But it is paired with a PowerVR GE8320, which helps in graphics and gaming. This chipset and GPU on here is the same chipset and GPU on the recently released Oppo A12, which cost $131, while the Oppo A31 cost $197.
Young man, may we not apply costs to ourselves.
The Oppo A31 comes in 3 storage options, which are the 4GB 64GB, 4GB 128GB and 6GB 128GB. At the camera department, we have a 8MP f2.0 selfie camera, while at the back we have a triple camera setup which houses a 12MP f1.8 wide camera, a 2MP f2.4 macro camera and a 2MP f2.4 depth camera. Both the rear and front facing camera shoots 1080p videos at 30 frames per second, and there is no form of stabilization on this device. I didn't get to test out the camera because this unit I'm holding is a dummy device. On the top we have nothing. At the bottom we have the speaker grills, the micro USB ports, the 3.5mm headphone jack and the microphone. On the left hand side we have the volume rocker and the card tray, which houses 12 4G nano SIMs and an SD card, while on the right hand side we have the power button. Basically, the Oppo A31 is the Oppo A12 with a bigger screen paired with a macro camera and more storage options. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hands-on review and first impressions. If you like it, kindly hit the subscribe button below, like, comment and share. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.